If you feel like your ads have been tanking a little bit, you're not alone. Meta's median ROAS has dropped by about 28% in the last quarter. Part of the reason is due to Meta's Andromeda 2.0 update, which now scores Meta ad creatives based on authenticity. What this often means is your more polished ads are now being served to, I guess you would say, a colder, more expensive audience, while your more unpolished ads, which have a bit more of a native feel to them, are getting that UGC cheaper distribution. Here are 3 things that you should test with this new Andromeda 2.0 update. Unpolish your polished creatives. If they're already working well in the past, but they're looking a bit too polished, maybe a bit too brand aligned, try to unpolish it, make it look super native. Do this before you touch any sort of budgetary changes. Fix number 2, double check your conversion tracking, because ever since Meta's update in July, we could actually see some accounts double counting conversions. So double check to make sure that your data is accurate. Fix number 3, if changing the creative to an unpolished version is still not really working and capturing your audience's attention, it might be time to go back onto the drawing board where you redefine your ICPs, your angles, your hooks, your pains, your desires, your objections, and creating polished and unpolished versions of those ad creatives for these new angles that you're going to create. As we've been saying in the last 2 years now, ever since Andromeda's algorithmic update, it's all about creative, creative, creative. And I want to reassure you all that it's not because Meta's platform is becoming a little bit rocky or there's just so many changes to the algorithm. It is simply Meta reorganizing themselves to reward a different kind of creative and also report on clearer numbers. So what should you do this week? You should double check to see if you saw any conversion spikes in July. If so, double check your conversion tracking. If not, take a look at the production ad quality of your ad creatives to see if there's any room to play around with that as you test more creatives. Do all this before you touch budgets or any sort of ad spend. Save this video before your next budget review.